Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have WhatsApp application and I'm going to show you how can you easily add your biography information. At first click on these three dots at the top and then click on settings. Here you have to click on, not here, you have to click on your profile at the top and you have to click on about. Here, as you can see, we can change about to available, busy, at school, at the movies, at work, battery about to die, can't talk, WhatsApp only, I'm in a meeting, at the gym, sleeping, urgent calls only, or apart from that we can click this pen icon over here, and here we can add our own biography. For example, we are hard reset. And after that we have to click save. Now if we go back, we will see our biography over here. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.